Hello, my name is Nick Fiddler with KFG. Everyone out there knows how trying of a year 2019 has been. We want to go through a few helpful tips and tricks that we have came up with as a company to help you along through this harvest. Remember, we are there with you every step of the way, and if you need anything throughout the season, feel free to call any of your KFG locations. About our John Deere 600 series and 700 series corn heads. Some of the different tips and tricks that we have and what we've seen across the counter and in our shops to help you have a successful harvest.
Hi, Matt with KFG here. Let's not forget about the corn head adjustments and maintenance as well. Oil levels and grease intervals, all found in our operator's manual. I want to talk about the importance of our gathering chain tension procedure. We have a collar located over the spring. There's a washer at the top side. We should have no more than 3/16 gap between the collar and the washer. That is the proper tension for our gathering chains. We also want to inspect deck plates and stalk rolls for any damage or major wear.
First things first, we want you to be prepared with a shorter harvest window with a few common parts that we see cause some big issues for a lot of customers. We want to start up with our gathering chains and make sure that we're checking tension daily, as well as the bearings that are in the front idler sprocket. Too many times we see those bearings go out 7, 8 o'clock at night and it shuts everybody down. By having those in stock or on the machine, it's an easy repair to keep you going at night. Last thing that we see as a culprit of major breakdowns is going to be checking your gearbox oil. Daily, check your gearbox oil to make sure that it's full and ready to go for harvest. If anything does happen during season, remember we have our after hours parts and service lines that are there to help you anytime you need. Next, I want to talk about an attachment called RowMax. What this does is it takes your 600 series corn head and updates it to 700 series components. It'll update your gathering chains, your sprockets, and your snapping rolls. By doing this, you get 50% more wear out of your gathering chains and your sprockets due to the fact that the gathering chain has 12 more links in it and the sprockets have 2 more teeth on them. On the snapping rolls, it'll give you 25% more wear. After your stock rolls are intermeshing, opposing, and chopping, as well as KFG is a 360 yield center dealer and offers chain rolls. These are a few helpful tips and tricks that we came up with that we think will help you have a more efficient harvest in tough crop conditions. Again, if there's anything else that you have questions on or need, feel free to contact any of your local KFG locations.